I found a HTML web app builder for SEO as a ChatGPT assistant that somebody made. Now, sounds pretty cool, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna share my screen and then yep. And I'm gonna drop this right in the chat right now. Bear with me, guys.
Save me a little bit of time at the end. I got a free gift for everyone.
Okay, perfect. I'm just trying to find the chat.
Did you scan that QR code?
Not yet. 'Cause I didn't scan it yet.
Huh?
We'll get there, Deb. Don't worry.
No. Not yet.
All right, so there's the GPT. And again, this isn't mine. So I'm just gonna say, hi. Oh, Kirby, what's your website?
KirbyChanandCo.com.
That
Yeah.
okay. So guys, all I said was hi, and it's like, okay, cool. If you give me an industry keyword or a URL, we'll take it from there and we'll do stuff. So now it's gonna run through and look at everything. It's gonna say, hey, what the site is, about the business, reputation and reviews, who it's useful for. Okay. So great. If you want, they can brainstorm some real estate focused interactive web tools. Home value estimator, neighborhood comparison, blah. Yeah, let's do that. And this is where I'm getting excited, where
Yeah.
these are all things that are interactive to the site. And Kirby, I'm going to be very careful of time. Like a home value visualizer, should I rent or buy quiz, downsizing decision helper. I would stay away from a local school finder. But what it's ranking in this is the SEO potential out of 5 and the build effort, like how crazy it is to build this out of 5. So like, oh, closing cost calculator, that's not that. But
I do.
hey,
I do. I am making a page for every school though in my area.
perfect.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah.
So dude, neighborhood vibe quiz. Suggest ideal neighborhoods based on lifestyle, all that. SEO potential, 5. Build effort is only 3. That sounds pretty good. Realtor compatibility quiz. That seems interesting. Um, but I don't know if I want someone run that. So let's do 7. Whoa. I hadn't scrolled down. It had already shown an example. But all right, here's the quiz, all the stuff. Well, we can preview it. And all it is a web code of like the different things that you can set up as a pop-up. So like, all right, Kirby, do you prefer walking, cycling, car, or public transit?
They made this already?
Yeah,
That's fast.
we're gonna say Kirby likes cycling. He prefers quiet. He does not like noise because he has children, so he has enough noise. Yes, he has. It says, do you have or plan to have kids? I would not do that question. But not anytime soon. Your housing budget, Kirby, you want to spend under 800K, 800 to 1.2 or 1.2 plus?
1.2 plus.
All right. And how walkable do you want the area to be? Very, somewhat, or doesn't matter?
Somewhat.
All right. Now, Kirby, you tell me because this is your area. Would those areas fit to what our answers were?
That's pretty good.
Okay. Now,
Very good.
guys, go
I
ahead.
like I like those 3 neighborhoods.
Right. Okay. So Kirby's moving. Perfect. I did one for Boston, and it's find your ideal neighborhood, and it has sliders and it will tell you based on where you put the sliders for the different categories, the top matches. Now, these again are great for SEO and building that you can put right into your website, or you could even run a direct link to it as an ad. And do people love when they see on Facebook some stupid quiz? How many of you have done a stupid quiz in the last couple days? All of you. Perfect. I love it. So that's the thing is like the GPT that I found again is not mine. I'm not endorsing it. I'm not selling it. I'm just saying, hey, this is something cool we found, and that's why it's the lab. That's why we want to keep giving you different things.